Hello, Odd Job Doer here. And would you look at the size of this thing? This here's the Apocalypse Edition Darksiders 3. And kind of splurged on this. You know, the cost when it comes out is a little bit more than most of the game system is going to be played on. And yeah, so let's do a little unboxing here and see what's inside. All I did so far is I cut the tape down below here. So open this thing up like so. And well, would you look at that? So in this set here, you get the different figurines. You get Fury. It's right in there, which I've heard that some people have problems with the whip coming broken because it's a thin piece of plastic, I'm sure. You get the War figurine right up in there. You get the Death figurine. And you get Volgrim, who looks more like Death than Death does. Not only do you get that, you get a wall scroll here. And take a quick look at this. Let's see here. Got a nice little string there. Well, abracadabra pearled around. Oh, look at that. Darksiders 3. Fury. So we can get back in here to get the whole thing in frame. So it's pretty good size. You know, nice to hang on the wall if you're a fan. So we've got that there. Wall screen has metal rods in it. And we'll throw it over here. And then, what else we got here? We got some foam. Some nice dense foam. We got this little box. Oh. Darksiders 3, a little smash on it. That's nice. And, let's see. How does this one open up? There's the top. Oh, yeah. So we've got a little treasure trove of stuff in here. First thing out, steel case, Darksiders 3. And, what? No game? Oh, set that aside. Hello there. Gotta get a tripod these days. Oh, there we go. Then there's more there. Get out. Out. Don't mind me. Ah. Anything else in there? No? Alright, good. So, we got here the art of Darksiders 3. Nice concept drawings, pictures and stuff. A few art fans. And then we got here a, what's this here? We got here a, code for exclusive armor, Keepers of the Void armor. We got, let's see, Darksiders soundtrack, which, oh, the disc's missing here too. So we got, what, 24 songs in here. Here happens to be the disc. Just jumped out of there, nice. And, of course, we've got a game. Rated M for awesome. One player. Looks like it should be fun. I think I've heard mixed reviews on this. But, of course, the main thing for getting this is, oh, what's this here? An amulet? Yeah. Well, shiny. It's metal. Has nice quartz. There's Darksiders on the back. And the main thing for getting this is these figures. Let's see if I can get in here. And, nope. I'm not going to get a good view of these. But I can take one out here to show you that, you know, that box is pretty huge. The whole thing is pretty huge. So anyways, I'm looking forward to play this game. Try it out. You know, these figures. This looks like that when you're going to display it, and they look pretty detailed, pretty nice. Yeah, entertainment. Yep. So anyhow, I'm going to probably open this up, give it a try, load it up, and see how the game works. But just want to do a little unboxing video. Splurge on this. This retails for I think $3.99, but with some discounts and whatnot, I got it down to something a little more manageable. And if you were on the shelf of wanting to buy something like this or not, because I think you can buy a deluxe version, which just comes with the Fury figure. But I have the other Darksiders games, so I have the War, and I think Death's in one of them. And maybe they'll come out with another one, actually the Four Horsemen of the Apocalypse. But yeah, so this is a good set. At least I think so. And yeah, if you have any comments, leave them below. If you want to see some more, let me know. And thanks for watching. Watch Up Doer, out.